baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom.
Check out my shoe game. It's red over blue strings. Down south a new thing. I'm a water, what it do, man? I'm chillin' up in this booth, man. Chains up on my shoe game. Air Forces with them two stains. The way that a nigga do things. Is he blue and it do swing? Red up in my shoe string. Zoo woo and woo cool. Nigga like me do bang. Unless I take it easy. This game never leave me. What up to that scooter and that boy ain't easy. My pimp game is sleazy. My spit game is wheezy. My hunger for this money keep a young nigga greedy. I'm all about my greenbacks. Yeah, a nigga mean that. Lights, the camera action, make a nigga bring that scene back. Haters never seen that. I put it in the gap, press the button, watch that screen act. Air Force with them J's, yeah, a nigga got them green black.
Nigga got them green black. Air Force Ones, them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's.
What up, my kings and queens? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, back in the building, in the castle, finna make it happen for y'all, man. So, just what the video says, just like the title says, hey, I got an early review for y'all, man. So, we're just gonna give y'all an early peek, an early look of the Jordan 9 Racer Blue, okay? So, we're gonna go get on top of this, and y'all come rock with your boy. Hey, and before we get started, man, hey, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, all right? That notification bell, so you can be notified of all videos. Make sure that you like the video, big thumbs up. I greatly appreciate everybody that's been rocking with your boy. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the kingdom. This is how we rock it over here. We're gonna keep it 100. So, not finna waste too much more of y'all time. Let's go get out here and go get a peep at these nines, okay? Bet. Of course, you know, your boy gotta give y'all. So your boy, you know, you gotta give you a quick fit check, man. Just a simple orange tee, man. Khakis and most shattered backboard lows. So we about to go get it, man. So here you have the Jordan 9 Racer Blue with the reflective. So on the upper, it's gonna be suede. And then you have the 3M reflective that's all the way around. The royal blue Jumpman in the back. Like these laces that are in there. I'm gonna have to check and see if these are 3M. Pretty good, man. Black midsole. Blue Jordan Jumpman on the side. And of course, you know, you had the traditional floorboard of the Jordan. Real nice, man. These are not bad, man. Checking these out. These are not bad at all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn the 3M on. Well, not really 3M on, but you know, turn the light on. Jordan Brand's been on a lot of 3M, man. That reflective. Not too many people are into it, but you know, it's one of the things that I do like. If you check it out, even the shoestrings look like they're popping in 3M. White Air Jordan. Blue floorboard. White Jumpman. So there you guys have it, an early look at these bad boys. The floorboard is an insole, you guys can see. And of course, you know, shoe tree, tag information, Cause they've been sitting on these bad boys for a while. So there you have it, my kings and queens. That was just an early review of the Jordan 9 Racer Blue. I don't know about y'all, man, but I feel like that's one that I might need to put in my collection. That's just because I like the way it is. I mean, it says Racer Blue, but there's really not much blue in it. But I guess the blue is off in the reflective part of the shoe. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all guys think of it. Let me know if you guys are going to go after these. If this a must cop, or if this one of these ones that you can just sit on and pass. And, you know, it is what it is. You know, I do understand it's not for everybody. It is what it is. But don't forget, man, I'm doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. So once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be giving away $50 cash, Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, however you need to get it. But it will get vlogged that I will be doing that. But your boy is on that road to 1K. I'm sitting at what, like 411 right now, something like that. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. I appreciate everybody rocking with your boy. And we about to get it, you know what I'm saying? So you already know, to all my kings, stand up. And all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
Stressing me, coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the pull up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.